Hello students, welcome to another video. And in this video, we are going to talk about how to convert your JRF to SRF. And this video is like it's totally based on the CSIR JRF to SRF and not any UGC or ICMR or TVT. So we are currently showing the CSIR website, that is their official website, and you would get the instruction from here only, but still I am just showing you how to do that. So if you are a registered CSR fellow in an institute, and if you have completed 2 years, so the first and foremost thing that you have to do is that you have to convert your JRF to SRF. And for the and the reason is that for the current situation they are stopping the JRF fellowship also after 2 years, so you would not get any JRF fellowship after 2 years if you don't submit like any kind of extension. And if you submit an extension of 6 months, then only you would get the fellowship of for JRF fellowship, but not the SRF one. So it's better that before completing the 2 years, you just prepare yourself, and within 1 or 2 months of completing the 2 years tenure, just starting from the date of your enrollment, you have to complete this JRF to SRF assessment. And for that, the first step is that you have to download two annexures, and you will get that annexure just by scrolling down, like this one: age limit, selection procedure, PhD registration, admission of fellowship, and here stipend and tenure. And as you can see that in stipend and tenure, you would get like these two annexures, this annexure 5 and another one is annexure 6. So you would have to download these both of these annexures, and these are the main annexures needed for the JRF to SRF upgradation, and rest your nodal officer would tell you. I am showing you these two annexures and what you have to do exactly in that. So coming to the annexure 5, this one is the main thing, that is the three members assessment committee report. And for here you would need an external member, and the members of the committee, those who are already present in that committee, like for us we just say that as RAC committee, that is assessment committee for our for 6 months we give a report. I think for every institution that is same, and they call it as RAC, DAC, and for other names also. But after 6 months we have to give a report to our institute, and those members plus one another member from another institution, and they must actually be a associate professor. Assistant professor is not eligible for giving you this assessment report. And for that, this would be completely, that's your guide's responsibility to find someone who is associate professor, and who is actually related to your field, and who can judge you based on your report. And from here, as you can see that previously we needed actually the vice chancellor's sign, but now we don't need that. And as you can see that we have to write the professor's name. And another thing is that head of the department should also be present in your and committee as a committee member. And if your head of the department is also your committee member, then that's well and fine. But if he or she is not the member, then you have to actually arrange for them also. And one, two, and the third one is your guidance supervisor. So you need their signature and their institutional seal, and their like assessment, their date, time, and venue of assessment or interview. Okay, so CSR have mentioned that you can do the interview online, but of course that offline is always better. But yeah, you can give it to the online, but there your institute might must actually have the online procedures. if they are not accepting any kind of like online signatures or online stamp, then it would be hard for you. So just ask your institute that if they accept it or not. Okay, so assessment of the committee, they would write based on your performance, that how you have performed. And after that, I mean, here their form is written as 35,000, but just edit it and write it as 42,000, or as per your institutional instruction. We actually did it for ourselves, and we have written it for 42,000. And again, they are member, external member, and guide. These three things that you have to give. And coming to another annexure, that is annexure 6. Here you have to like fill up the whole thing: name, email address, your nature of fellowship, JRF, CSR award number, place of work, date of joining, period after which the fellowship is tenable, and the date of registration for higher degree, topic of research, broad area, subject, and the period of the report. I think everybody knows this. Your attendance is here. It's one of the crucial thing that you should write properly, that you, from your attendance sheet, that how many days actually you have attended. Like we have written it as 365 days, and after that we have omitted the Saturday, Sundays, and then written it like that, and our holidays. And next you have to submit some of the things that you have to prepare it. The first one is a detailed report about the research work done. So it's kind of the like writing your thesis only, and you have to write it down, the whole 2 year work that you have done. And summary of research work done in 300 words. Next one is plan of work for next year. And also mind one thing, that you have to submit another report in another year, otherwise again your fellowship would stop. And everything, number of research papers. Okay, so research, many of the students ask me that publishing a paper is necessary for JRF to SRF upgradation. No. So without paper also you can go for the JRF to SRF upgradation. That would be no problem for that. And any kind of like you don't need any book chapters also. You just if your guide is like happy with your progress, and you are also happy with your progress, you can just convert it from JRF to SRF, and you can go for the papers in next year also. There is like no limitations for that. Okay, so overall assessment of the and comment of the guide. So these are the two things that you have to submit with the overall the whole report. And then just submit it to your nodal officer, and within like 2 weeks they just do everything. And after 2 weeks you would get like their submit, like all the steps that you have done for getting the JRF, those all those online steps, like 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Here there you would get like 7 steps, and there would be like 7 bars in the that CSR website, CSR yeah, fellow AMS portal. And if you open that portal, you would just get everything written there. And also if you need that how many days are left for your JRF to SRF, you can also get it from that portal also. So keep a look on this CSR fellow AMS, and you will get all the details out there. And if you need anything extra, I can like just comment down below, and I will let you know as much as I have my idea for that. Okay, so thanks a lot for seeing this video, and please comment down if you have any kind of problem for CSR JRF to SRF upgradation.